Hampton Bay ceiling fan remotes make it convenient to operate your fan. But if your remote isn't working properly, you can follow these steps to ensure your fan will work with just the press of a button. Here's what you'll need. Make sure the wall switch is in the on position. If the pull cord or wall switch doesn't turn the fan on, check the circuit breaker to ensure the fan is receiving power. If the wall switch is in the on position and you know there's power, you'll want to check the distance between the remote and the fan. Many fans have a range of 40 feet. If the remote doesn't work at a close range, you'll need to try another troubleshooting option. If the remote works at a close range, but not at a normal distance, try changing the batteries. Often, the most common cause of a remote problem is dead or weak batteries. If the indicator light on the remote doesn't illuminate, it's probably time to change the batteries. Remove the battery cover. Check to make sure the batteries are in the correct position. If so, remove the old batteries. Use a battery tester to make sure the batteries have a charge. If necessary, place new batteries in the remote. Replace the battery cover. Lastly, test to see if your new batteries solved the problem. If the remote is within range and the batteries are good, try resetting the fan's frequency. First, turn off power at circuit breaker. Next, use a screwdriver to remove the fan canopy from the mounting bracket. Locate the receiver and identify the dip switch settings. Use a small screwdriver or ballpoint pen to slide the buttons and create a new frequency combination. Replace the receiver and reattach the canopy to the mounting bracket. Reinstate power to the fan using the circuit breaker. Now, you'll need to set the frequency to match the fan's receiver. First, remove the battery cover. Identify the dip switch panel. Slide the buttons to match the frequency of the fan's receiver. Replace remote cover. Test the remote to make sure it's working properly. If your fan still doesn't work, there may be a problem with the wireless receiver. To make sure the receiver is actually the problem, turn off the power at the circuit breaker. Then remove the canopy. Direct wire the fan bypassing the receiver. Restore power. If the fan now works, your receiver may need to be replaced. Purchase a new receiver and follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. If the remote is still not working, you may need a new one. Remember to adjust the dip switches to match the frequency of the fan. Next, install new batteries. Finally, turn the fan on and pair the remote according to the manufacturer's instructions. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.